it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the UK and across Europe. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I am going to show you how I have made one of my cards for my customer thank you pack. So this is anyone who places an order with me and uses the host code, whatever value the order, they get 2 card kits in their thank you pack. If you place an order of over £150, please do not use the host code because you earn your own host rewards, but you will still get the card pack. So this is the card that I've made as the first option, but I have a second non-Halloween option. It's not as ornate, as in these two come off, but it's another option. So let me show you. Very quick to put together. In the card pack there will be a half sheet of A4 actually cut, so it's that way rather than this way, but that's because it's easier to post, and I know most people like the fold down the side. I, on the other hand, like it at the top because it's a bit easier to photograph. So in the pack, I've not got them here, but in the pack you will find you've got 3 die cuts. You've got Happy, you've got Day, and you've got Halloween. So if you want to make it a Halloween card, you obviously use the Happy Halloween. If you want it to be just an everyday card, you can just use the Happy Day. Just need to get my little bits out of here. There we go. This is from the Ombre Specialty Paper, which is a glimmer paper in the annual catalogue. I think we forget about the annual catalogue when we get a mini. So there's a strip of the Cute Halloween Designer Series paper. It's reversible, obviously. So for my sample, I've used the black and white corn candy. For this one, I'm going to use just the dots. And then, again, we've got the stripes or black and white squiggles, and this time I'm going to use the black and white squiggles. There's also a pumpkin pie circle. So the first thing I want to do is grab my seal and add some adhesive to the back of my paper. I'm going right across the top on this because that's actually going to be on the top edge. Then I'm going to come down the sides. I'm not going to put adhesive all the way down the sides. Don't need to. Now there'll be a little bit sticking off the bottom because this is 6 inches and my card base isn't. So I just need to put a bit that's not quite all the way at the bottom. So like that. And then all I've got to do is take this, line up my card base so that it is on grid paper. And then this goes in the middle. So all I've got to do is gauge. So I've got 2.5 squares there, 2.5 squares there. So that is going to be roughly in the middle. And pop that down. Straight would be better. It's not bad. It's not bad. And then just trim the excess off the back with your paper snips. Easy as. Much easier to do that than to try and cut the piece of paper to size, because chances are you won't get it exactly in place. Certainly if you're me. Same idea with this. So I'm putting the black and white side face up. So I'm going to have adhesive there. And then let me just see how far across I need to come. So I need to have adhesive there, and then just down the middle so that it's going to actually attach. And again, I'm going to line up my card on my grid paper. Grid paper is amazing. Just saying, it's such a bonus to have grid paper. So you don't have to guess or constantly get your ruler out. Just use your grid paper. So there we go. Then some adhesive on the back of here. I'm going to use liquid adhesive because I like liquid adhesive. And pop that onto my strip. Have it coming off all over the place. And then, now, if If you've got the Halloween, obviously it's going to take longer to do this, but all you need to do is add some little dots of adhesive onto the back of your die cut. I have to say I'm loving sending these out. This is a relatively new thing for me to send these out, but I think my customers enjoy them. I don't hear a lot about them from them, but on the basis they don't say I hate it, I'm assuming they like it. So there we go. So happy. I might do it as a jaunty angle, I think. So there's my happy. And then my day. Again, just adding adhesive to the back. You don't need to add it everywhere, just in a few kind of key places. And then this can go preferably the right way up. Again, at a jaunty angle. Particularly as we're not adding ghosts to this one, I think a bit of a jaunty angle is nice. And then if you were doing Halloween, this is where I would put my, I think I might put that one, yeah, there, and that one up there possibly, or the other way round. Maybe I'd do that and have my Halloween straight. These are just fussy cut from the paper. In the kit there is a piece of paper with the items ready to cut, like this. And my customers will either get this one or this one as their extra. They'll get this one automatically, but there were more of these than there were of either of these, so there is a mix. So that's that. And also in the kit are the sequins that they need. So let me grab these. These are from the, I want to say Artistically Inked, Artist Impression. I know I got a new pack. Artistry Blooms, and they come like this. You get 4 full sheets, and they're self-adhesive, which I love. Anything that takes away some work is good by me. Now, I've used these ones for my customers. I'm going to use these ones because I can. Oh, except have I got... Yes, I have. I've got one of those left, so that's good. So I can pop... Ooh, let's put them on the right card. Always a good idea. So I can have one there. I can have one up here. And then this I can have... Ooh. Ooh, no, I think I'm going to go up. I think I might go up and out, actually. So there we go. So that is the first of the cards that I have included in my customer thank you pack for their gift, as a gift for them to make up. So if you have received this, I hope you enjoy making it up. I would love to hear if you enjoy making the cards, if it's something that you enjoy. If you don't like doing them, then equally I would be quite like to know, because then I can think about what else might work. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for joining. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Any questions or comments below. There is a place to put comments. For close-up photos, a bit more information about measurements, what I've used, etc., hop over to my website. There's a link to the associated blog post in the description bar below. In the meantime, thank you very much indeed. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Woo! Bye!